Alright, today I'm going to show you how I got this look, and it's usually going to start with the base. Use 2 foam boards that I cut out to pretty much the width that I will need. And to basically put these together, just going to use some E6000. Really quick, and I'm going to lay these on top of each other. So what I want to do next is take these plates, and these are not real silver, but they look like metallic silver plates. They're party plates. And I'm just going to basically take my glue gun and go around the bottom of it. All right. So I want to pretty much put 4 of these down right now. As you can see, that's working just fine. I'm going to take another one and do the same thing. Okay. All right. And I'm going to put that on there. Okay, so this is our base for the decoration. We're going to take one more plate, and we're just going to pretty much draw like a cross in the middle. Okay, now we want to sit this right in the center. And we want to press that down. Now what I did to make it look a bit more interesting before I hung it up was I added some of these gems. They're really like emerald type of gem, and I thought these were really pretty because I have a little dot here. I got these plates at eFavor Mart, and I might do a shopping haul about all the stuff that I got there. And I'm just going to kind of decorate it a little bit to cover up that little bubble. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do, guys. I might do a shopping haul video, or I might do a live stream. There's so many ways you can decorate this, but I kind of wanted something simple. For your taste, you can do something like this if you like. And you can even go around the whole border for the center one, which was something I was considering doing. But it's just the same process. Of course, you would decide which design looks better to you before you glue it down. Like these two pieces here, I looked at that before I decided to glue it down, because if you detach these and make a mistake and decide, oh, I don't like that, you might see some of the metallic pull up and you'll ruin the whole thing. So we don't want to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and show you step by step how I'm going to put these gems on. And we're almost finished here. The one thing I like about this tray is that it's actually versatile. You can use it for whatever you want. You can use it for, since it's got compartments, you can use it for jewelry. If you have a designer closet and you just like to lay out your jewelry, or even if you don't have a designer closet, some people just like fancy items to hold their jewelry in, so that's one of the places where they do it. But in your room or your dresser, this is a good place for you to actually display all that pretty jewelry. So I'll finish cleaning up the glue out of the tray, and then I'll let you see what it looks like on the table. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. We will definitely see you on the next one, so stay tuned.